Have you ever wondered what the future of robotics might look like? Just imagine a world where robots are an integral part of our daily lives, a world where they assist us in ways we could only dream of. Today, we're going to embark on an exciting journey that spans from the earliest days of robotics to the cutting-edge innovations of the present day and beyond. We'll explore how robotics could potentially shape our future. So buckle up as we embark on this captivating journey through time. Before we delve into the future, let's travel back to the early times when the concept of robotics was just being introduced. The journey of robotics begins not in the modern age, but in the ancient world. The ancient Greeks, masters of innovation, were the first to toy with the idea of automata, self-operating machines designed to follow a sequence of instructions. These early concepts of robotics were used to create moving statues and intricate timekeeping devices, reflecting the human fascination with replicating life through machinery. Fast forward to the Renaissance and we encounter another remarkable figure in the history of robotics, Leonardo da Vinci. Da Vinci, a man ahead of his time, sketched a design for a humanoid automaton around the late 15th century. This mechanical knight, as it was called, was designed to sit up, wave its arms, and move its head and jaw. Although it's not known if Da Vinci's design was ever brought to life, his sketches were a significant leap forward in imagining machines that could mimic human actions. As we moved into the industrial age, the concept of robotics took a transformative turn with the introduction of Unimate, the world's first industrial robot. Invented in the 1960s by George Devil, Unimate was a programmable robotic arm that could perform repetitive tasks with precision and efficiency. It was initially employed in a General Motors factory, where it took on the task of transporting die castings from an assembly line and welding these onto auto bodies. This was a task that exposed human workers to a high risk of injury, thereby demonstrating the potential of robots to increase both productivity and safety in the workplace. These early inventions laid the foundation for the robotics industry that we know today. From the ancient Greek automata to Da Vinci's humanoid design and the first industrial robot, Unimate, each milestone in the history of robotics has brought us closer to a world where machines can perform tasks with the same, if not greater, efficiency and precision as humans. As we moved into the 20th century, robotics began to take a more recognizable form. The 20th century was a time of profound innovation and breakthroughs in the field of robotics. The early years witnessed the development of programmable robots, a significant leap from the simple mechanical devices of the past. This period saw the creation of robots like Unimate, the first programmable robot, which was employed in a General Motors assembly line in 1961. These programmable robots were capable of executing tasks with precision, speed, and without fatigue, revolutionizing industries such as manufacturing, agriculture, and medicine. As we journeyed further into the century, another game-changing development took center stage, the birth of artificial intelligence, or AI. AI allowed robots to learn, adapt, and make decisions, a feat previously thought unimaginable. This evolution in robotics was largely driven by the exponential growth in computing power and the burgeoning field of data science. Robots were no longer just tools. They were becoming thinkers, capable of processing information and responding to their environments. The final decades of the 20th century ushered in the era of autonomous robots. These are robots that can function independently without human intervention, thanks to sophisticated sensors and advanced AI. Autonomous robots have found their way into various sectors, from self-driving cars revolutionizing transportation to drones delivering packages and rovers exploring the far reaches of our solar system. In the span of a century, robotics has moved from simple mechanical contraptions to advanced autonomous machines. The pace of development has been astonishing, fueled by human ingenuity and a relentless pursuit of innovation. These advancements have significantly transformed how we live and work, making robotics an integral part of our daily lives. Fast forward to the present day, robotics technology has taken a leap beyond our wildest dreams. The world of robotics today is a vibrant, ever-evolving landscape, rich with innovation and possibilities. From the smallest microbots to the largest industrial machines, robotics has permeated every corner of our lives, transforming the way we live, work, and play. Let's talk about automation. Robots have become invaluable tools in sectors like manufacturing, where they perform repetitive tasks with remarkable speed and precision, freeing human workers to focus on more complex and creative tasks. The result? Increased productivity, reduced errors, and improved safety in the workplace. Then there's artificial intelligence, or AI. AI has given robots the ability to learn, reason, and make decisions. much like humans. With machine learning, robots can now adapt to new situations and environments, improving their performance over time. This isn't science fiction anymore, it's reality, and it's happening right now. The healthcare industry is another area where robotics is making a significant impact. Surgical robots, for instance, are assisting doctors in performing complex surgeries with unprecedented precision, while robotic prosthetics are giving new hope to patients, restoring mobility, and improving quality of life. And let's not forget about space exploration. Robotic rovers are exploring distant planets, sending back valuable data, and paving the way for future human missions. These robotic explorers are our eyes and ears in the cosmos, helping us understand more about our universe and our place in it. But perhaps the most fascinating aspect of present-day robotics is the evolving relationship between humans and robots. Robots today are more than just tools. They are becoming our companions, our helpers. They are teaching us, entertaining us, and even taking care of us. They're becoming an integral part of our daily lives, and in many ways, they're beginning to feel less like machines and more like friends. Today, robots are not just machines, they are becoming our companions, our helpers, and sometimes even our heroes. Now let's turn our attention towards the future, a future where robotics will likely play an even greater role. Consider a world where humanoid robots are commonplace. These aren't the clunky, awkward machines you might be imagining, but sleek, human-like beings, capable of complex thought and nuanced interaction. Advances in materials science and biomechanics could allow these robots to move with a fluidity and grace that rivals our own. Meanwhile, breakthroughs in artificial intelligence could furnish these robots with minds as flexible and creative as those of human beings. But humanoid robots are just the tip of the iceberg. Picture the integration of robotics and artificial intelligence on a larger scale. Smart homes that anticipate your needs, public transportation systems that optimize routes in real time, even robotic surgeons that can perform complex procedures with unprecedented precision. It's a future where robots are not just tools, but partners, working alongside us to build a better world. Yet, as we stand on the brink of this exciting new era, we must also grapple with the ethical considerations it brings. Will these robots have rights? What happens if they make mistakes? How do we ensure that the benefits of robotics are shared equitably, rather than concentrated in the hands of a few? These are not just idle questions, but pressing issues that we must address as we move forward. Moreover, as robots become more sophisticated, the line between human and machine could become increasingly blurred. What does it mean to be human in a world where robots can think, feel, and act like us? How do we navigate the emotional complexities of forming relationships with these humanoid robots? These questions may seem daunting, but they also represent an incredible opportunity. By engaging with these challenges head-on, we have the chance to shape a future where robotics enhances our lives rather than diminishes them. The future of robotics holds immense possibilities, but it also poses some challenging questions that we, as a society, must answer. So we've journeyed from the dawn of robotics to its potential future. We've seen how robotics evolved from simple automated machines to complex systems capable of performing intricate tasks. We've looked at how modern robotics is transforming industries and enhancing human capabilities today. And we've envisioned the exciting possibilities of robotics in the future, driving innovation and opening up new frontiers. In the end, it's clear that robotics has a bright future ahead, but how we shape that future is up to us.